Hi, I'm Dawn Morse, the founder of Core Elements Training. Core Elements delivers a range of courses from Level 3 and Level 4 and Level 5 qualifications in sports massage and clinical therapy, and a range of CPD courses as well, ranging from 1, 2 and 3 day accredited courses.
Hi, my name's Katie. I'm a lecturer at Core Elements, and today in this short series we'll be focusing on special tests which can be used in a clinical setting for musculoskeletal examination and assessment.
Hi, in this short video we're going to demonstrate the Trendelenburg test. This is a useful test for identifying a strain or a tear in the gluteus medius or weakness within the muscle group as well.
So we're going to ask the client to stand in front of you, and we'll ask them to raise one leg off of the ground. So here you can see his pelvis is neutral, and now we can see the drop. So if it's positive, it'd be uncompensated drop. It'd be positive. So there's weakness in this side, it's unable to keep that pelvis stable. If the client was to do this and they compensated for this drop, their torso is going to lean onto the side that their leg is planted. So a negative will be when the client lifts their leg up and their pelvis stays neutral. Positive is if there's a drop or torso is leaning to try and compensate for that.